how to change Microsoft Office default save location. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, did you know that Microsoft Office apps have their own default location, but you can change it? So I'll show you how to do it with Microsoft Word. You can do the same with Microsoft Excel and Microsoft PowerPoint and other Microsoft apps. So head over to Microsoft Office and then go to the file option in the top left, go to options and then go to save in the left hand side. You will find a default local file location. Just tap on browse and then choose the location of your choice and then hit OK. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.